What up, y'all? It's your boy Rotten Russ. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is gonna be quite a big one. So grab you some snacks, something to drink, sit back, relax, and let's get it started. Just roll the intro. So here we have the intake. If you go back a couple videos, you could actually see me port match the intakes, clean the injectors, brand new fuel crossover line. But now what I'm going to do is start masking some of this stuff off, spray paint it, and yeah, let's keep this build moving. So here's a little trick. Obviously I don't want to get paint into the injector holes, so what I did was I put bolts. I'm going to take some old wire through here, hang it up on my painting rack, and hit it with some paint. Quick update on what I got going on here. Look at that. Yeah, I know, right? So right now it's only mocked up. Still waiting for the head studs to come in the mail. But what I wanted to do was put it together and get the heads painted. Don't know if I'm going to paint the water pump yet. Still don't know if I'm actually going to just replace it. But man, look at it. That inside of there is going to be sick. So this is going to be day 3 of this specific video, but next what I'm about to do is take the motor off the stand, mount up the transmission, and just gonna put it in the truck. The bottom end of the motor is solid, ready to go. The heads I think I could do while it's in the truck. I mean, worst case scenario, I just pull it back out, put it back on the stand, or do it while it's on the floor. So yeah, let's do that right now. Alright, so transmission is bolted up. Now all I gotta do is get underneath it, put the flywheel to the torque converter, and then start putting some of the lines on that are going to be impossible to do while it's in the truck. And then this will be in this by the end of this video.
What? No name, no name, no name.
Yo, let's go, dude. Hell yeah, it's in. It is in. Holy wow. I can't believe it's in. That's awesome. Now, one of the things I noticed right off the bat is the headers. Headers might be a problem. The subframe and towers didn't move at all when I dropped it in. Alright, y'all. So, you probably don't recall, but there was a lip that came up and over. So what I did was I cut it and I bent that down. And now I'm going to go ahead and just give this whole thing a quick bead. Now those who are questioning the reason is I had to have the clearance so that the hood hinge when it's down will actually clear that. So as you can see, it's a perfect little cubby for that to sit in. I'll show you the other side. So I think you can see it a little better here. Obviously the fender's just mocked up for now. It's literally just being held on by the two mountain bolts underneath the cover there. But you can see it's got a perfect little cubby. So now what I'm going to do is pull this side off, weld that one up. But before I do that, I'm going to make a Home Depot run, get some more navy blue, so when I'm done, just hit it real quick. But alright, and then to give you a little sneak peek of next week's video. Yeah, all four rotors, Brembos, front axles. Unfortunately only one rear hub, but that's fine. I could put the front on while I'm trying to find another rear. But Brembos. Alright, there it is, all finished up. That's the inside of that box that's going to protect the master cylinder. And there's the other side. So now you can see everything's flush, straight. So that way it should meet up with the fenders pretty fine.